Good afternoon. I about said morning, but it is almost 1 o'clock. No, it is 1 o'clock. I am surprisingly on time leaving. I am headed to Knoxville to meet Tabitha, and I'm so excited. I haven't seen her in a while, and I can't remember if I said, I think maybe I did, we are going to go thrifting. The couple that I for sure wanted to go to are in North Knoxville. She also said that there were 2 Goodwills and 2 Carton stores around there too. And there is a Marshall's and Target, and I think a few other stores if we get bored with thrifting. I have mixed feelings about thrifting. I see all these people find such great things, and my sister-in-law always finds the best stuff. I don't really have patience, and I feel like you have to have patience to thrift. So we shall see. I have something in mind for my living room above the piano. Instead of doing a wedding book for people to sign, they signed a big map of Italy because that's where we went for our honeymoon. I thought it was something different. I think it would have also been cute. So our wedding theme was Alice in Wonderland, and I got these jumbo playing cards for like decorations, and I was wanting to hang them from trees because we were supposed to have our wedding outside, and that would have been really cute for people to sign one of the jumbo playing cards. But I love the map of Italy because number one, I love Italy, and then like I said, that's where we went for our honeymoon. So I thought it was something different, and then I bought a frame for it, so I just have it set up on my piano. So what I thought about doing was hang it in the center above the piano, and then we bought a painting in Italy and in Greece. So I thought I could hang one on one side, one on the other, and then fill it in with different frames. I think I want different mirrors to give that Alice in Wonderland theme, because I've always loved when places have different shape picture frames and stuff. So depending on if I can find picture frames or mirrors, I might do both, or I'll just see. So that is the main thing I want to look for, is mirrors or frames, because we have had our house I think almost 10 years, because we got it before we got married, and we'll be married 9 years this year, and we haven't really decorated it. I want it to be decorated, so I have a list of things I want to do. I've got to get different curtains for the bedroom. If y'all have kept up with my channel and been watching it for a while, I tried to get new curtains during Vlogmas. I can't remember if it was this year or last year. I think actually it was last year. I wanted to get pink ones at first, but I couldn't find the right pink. So what I think I'm gonna do is just get some gray curtains, gray or black curtains, and then get a pink bedspread, because I love the bedspread that I have right now. It's just nice and fluffy, and it's just so comfortable, lightweight. I'm pretty sure that same one comes in pink. If I were to have pink curtains, then I would have to get that exact pink bedspread, and so that way I don't have to worry about it. So I'm just gonna get a neutral curtain, but I'm just so tired of that coral. I don't like it anymore, and it's just making me mad. I actually have a thrift list, but now I can't remember what's on it. But I am just excited to see Tabitha. Heck, we might just go to 2 and be over it. And then I did not insert my dash yet because my husband has been working where he doesn't have service. I didn't know if I needed to spray, so I spray painted it. I told you all this. So I don't know if I needed to spray it with some kind of sealer or top coat. I don't know if I need to do anything extra before I insert it. I wanted to put it in so bad because y'all know this has been a long time coming, and I finally have it. It's done, but I was afraid I was gonna insert it and be like, yeah, it wouldn't hurt to, you know, spray it with a top coat or something. So I'm gonna wait. I'm really hoping that, am I closed again? I'm really hoping that he said I don't have to spray it with anything else and then I can insert it when I get home. But I have already been rambling for 16 minutes and I still have a little over an hour drive. But I will definitely be taking y'all along with us as we thrift. And this time I'm for sure gonna show y'all around and show you some stuff just in case y'all have been curious about thrift stores in Knoxville. So I for sure am gonna show y'all this time. And I told Tabitha, I texted her last night, I said, make me vlog for YouTube. So hopefully between the two of us. And then of course I want to like TikTok vlog, but y'all are really important. I'm not gonna say more important, but I'm for sure taking y'all along with us for thrifting. So I will see y'all in Knoxville. So I found a couple of banties at that last place, and that guy who owns it is so nice, and he talked our ear off. We were probably in there, what, like 45 minutes to an hour?
25 of it talking.
Yeah, 25 of it talking. This one's a huge one. I think there's a ton here in Knoxville, but this one was closest to us. So I have high hopes for this. And somehow we always end up at Target. Yep. But when I came in here earlier, I had to make a bathroom stop. But I found some really cute clothes, so I'm going in to look at those. Maybe I'll actually show y'all this time. Here's the pink crochet thing I was talking about. I don't know if I told y'all, but I might have just been telling Tabitha about it. Okay, before I head home, I'm gonna do a little haul. I feel like thrifting was not successful just because of, I think I did mention, but that first place, why can I not ever remember what that place is called? Something Times, Pastimes. That guy was so super nice, and I'm sure being by himself all day, he probably gets lonely, but I just kind of wanted to look around and not be talked to because it was so crowded in there. But it's one of those places where you have to dig, and I didn't care to because that was our first stop and I didn't care to dig, but he was just talking to us the whole time and I was getting very overstimulated since it was kind of cramped, and then he just kept talking to us and I felt like I really couldn't look. But I did end up getting 2 t-shirts, another Rolling Stones. But I thought this would be something good just to work out in, but it's really soft. I don't even know if these are vintage or not, but I really liked this queen one. So this probably is, but I really like that. That's all I got. There was a Metallica sweatshirt, but it was missing the string for the hoodie, and I just got a sweatshirt at Walmart, and I didn't need these either. And I got 2 things at Carnes. I didn't need any of what I got today, but that's the fun thing about being a girl. So these are actually little shorts. They were $9.99. So it was $10 for the 2 banties. And he does do Venmo if you are in Knoxville and want to go there. But little shorts. Sienna Sky is the brand. That kind of looks familiar, but I don't know. And y'all, I picked up like 3 really cute little things, Shein, so I put those back. And then look, this is a little leopard skirt. It is from Altered State. I think it was a little more, $13.99, but I thought that was cute. So that's what I got at the 2 thrift stores. And then I got a ton of protein drinks at Target. This is the main one I wanted. Sky Pop protein soda, 10 grams of protein, 0 sugar. This is the strawberry cotton candy. I am actually about to try this. I need to make sure there's no caffeine. 45 calories. I don't count calories, but I like to say that for people who do. Only 1 carb. Actually, let's go ahead and just try it. I don't know where I saw, I don't know where I saw this. That's actually pretty good. You can tell it's 0 sugar. I don't know if y'all are picky like me, but for 10 grams of protein, y'all know I never get my protein. I don't know if y'all know this, and I think I've talked about it before, but you're actually supposed to have your body weight in grams of protein. So say you weigh 100 pounds. I weigh way more than 100 pounds, but just say you weigh 100 pounds, you're supposed to have 100 grams of protein a day. I don't even get half of my protein intake. So I've been trying to do better. That's for my husband. He has been trying this monk fruit Red Bulls because he was getting the 0, but he saw this and I was like, well, monk fruit is supposed to be a healthier sugar because when I use sugar in like my sweet potatoes and stuff, I use monk fruit sugar. A little surprise for him. And then I saw this too, Protein Pop, clear protein drink, pina colada. I think this has 22 grams of protein. And then it was 2 for something, so I got this cherry limeade. And then I love these Fairlife Core Power, the chocolate. It tastes just like chocolate milk. And at Target, I'm sure they have it other places, but I've seen it at Target. It has 42 grams. The other one I think has 26 grams. And then I got these little packs too, because sometimes I'm just tired of drinking plain water. Frosty lemonade, 20 grams. And then kiwi strawberry coconut colada. So just about the same time, me and Tabitha both were gonna ask each other if we've tried the clear protein. I think I was looking up like protein stacks when I was doing my groceries at Walmart, and it was, I think, Isopure clear protein or something, little sticks that I almost got. I was like, no, I don't need them because I got some other protein. I got like the legendary Pop-Tarts, and then I got the Quest chips. So I was like, okay, I need to quit getting all these protein stuff. But then we saw these when we were back in the protein section, and so thought I'd give it a try. And I got a new doormat because the one I have has faded, but I've had it for years and I just hadn't got a new one. But I saw this. Is this not absolutely perfect for me? I love it so much. And then the other side has stripes. So when one side fades, I can switch it to the other, but perfect for spring, summer. I'm not gonna show y'all right now because I honestly just don't wanna go get it. But if y'all remember, whenever I was looking at laundry baskets at Target, I found one at Marshall's. Actually, I think you might can see it peeking up, but if you did miss it, the laundry basket I have now is one of those that kind of collapsed, and I think I've had it since probably college. So a long time, and Daisy can fold it down and she gets my underwear out of it. So I wanted one that was like structured, and it is gold, and I will show y'all at some point. I'll show y'all when I get home, but no. I'm gonna show you when I get home because my husband said that I don't have to spray my dash or anything. So I'm gonna put that in when I get home. And then I'll show y'all the final product of that. And then I'll show y'all my laundry basket. And then I will end this vlog because I have been so dang chatty. But I'm gonna head home and then I will see y'all at home to see my pink dash. Okay, I wanted to show y'all my laundry basket really quick. How dang cute is it? They also had where this was black, but I really liked the gold. But maybe Daisy won't get into this one now since it's actually structured. I think it's just $20. Yeah, $20 at Marshall's. Finally got my pink dash in. The one on my driver's side is not sticking, and it doesn't go all the way to the edge, so you can still see a little bit of red. I do have a pink dash, however it doesn't look how I want. To be completely honest with y'all, I was this close to just getting the black dash and then just doing some pink accessories because I just felt like it nothing was working out, but I wanted to show y'all that. I wanted to show y'all my laundry basket. Now that I did that, I am going to go ahead and end this vlog. I still hope that y'all enjoyed all the randomness. This one was very random, so I hope that y'all still enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and